5 home remedies for split ends. Split ends can make it difficult to have a really good hair day. The term split end refers to the splitting or fraying of the hair shaft, and the condition is medically called a trichophyllitosis and is caused by thermal, mechanical, or chemical stress. Lack of proper nourishment, moisture can make the problem worse, particularly for those with long hairs. The most effective way to get rid of split ends is to cut them off. If left untrimmed, they tend to break off the continuous splitting up in the length of your hairs. But since trimming your hair is not always a good option to prefer solution, especially when you are trying to grow up your hair long, you can also use some natural home remedies for this purpose. Number 1 is egg mask. Eggs are the rich in protein and essential fatty acids that help you to treat the split ends. Because your hair is primarily made up of proteins, eggs help to strengthen the hair follicles, plus they will make your hair smooth, reduce tangles, and enhance the resistance to breakage. You can also use an egg hair mask once a week in a regular basis. Brush out your hair first to prevent tangles, wipe on the egg yolk, and mix it on a tablespoon of the olive oil and tablespoon of the honey. Work it onto the damp hairs, leave it for about 30 minutes and then rinse it off. Finally, shampoo your hair. Number 2 is hot oil deep conditioner. Deep conditioner with hot oil helps to restore the moisture, which in turn helps to control the split ends. For healthier hair, regularly deep condition it with moisturizing oils and natural hair mask. Slightly heating some olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, or castor oil in a microwave for about 30 seconds. Massage it onto your hairs and scalp. Leave it on for about 45 minutes and then shampoo your hair. Repeat it once a week or more often. Number 3 is avocado. Avocado works as an excellent deep conditioner to create lustrous locks. It is loaded with protein, essential fatty acids, folic acid, magnesium, vitamin A and D, and the other nutrients that nourish your hair and stimulate growth. Avocado also has softening properties. Mash one ripe avocado and mix in 1 tablespoon of the olive oil and coconut oil until apply this hair mask liberally on your hair and rinse it off with shampoo, and do this once on weekly basis and 3 times a month. Number 4 is mayonnaise. Mayonnaise works as an excellent remedy for damaged hair. It nourishes your hair, prevents your split end, and provides a soft relief and shiny look. Wet and towel dry your hair. Work 1/2 cup of the mayonnaise into your hair. Leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it out with shampoo hairs. Repeat once or twice a day. Number 5 is beer. Beer helps to control the split end by supplying protein and sugar to the damaged hair follicles. It also works as an excellent conditioner and adds shine and volume to your hair. Shampoo your hair. Put your flat beer in a small spray bottle. Spray it over the mid and end section of your damp hairs. Let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. You need not rinse it out. Do this once a week. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.